before and after some pictures.
In this video, we'll show you how to edit Toni Mahfud preset on Lightroom Mobile. Let's start. First go to Light. Contrast plus 50. Highlights minus 60. Shadows plus 10. White plus 25. Black plus 48. Go to Curve. Follow the steps. Done. Now go to Color. Vibrance plus 24. Saturation plus 6. Go to Max Color. Red. Hue minus 4. Saturation minus 22. Orange. Hue minus 4. Saturation minus 45. Luminance minus 20. Yellow. Hue minus 100. Saturation minus 65. Luminance minus 15. Green saturation minus 50. Luminance minus 22. Aqua. Saturation minus 70. Luminance minus 30. Blue. Saturation minus 48. Luminance minus 22. Done. Now go to Effect. Clarity plus 20. Dehaze plus 16. Now go to Detail. Nose Reduction plus 10. Finish. Copy settings and paste in other pictures.